Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Hootsuite for social media management, full guide step by step clearly. To begin installing Hootsuite for social media management, first, open your preferred web browser. Visit the official Hootsuite website by typing in hootsuite.com. Once the site loads, look for the Get Started button and click on it. This will redirect you to the Hootsuite sign-up page. If you're a new user, select the option to create a free account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a secure password that you will remember. After entering your details, click on the Sign Up button. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and log in. Once logged in, you may be prompted to choose a plan. Review the available plans and select one that suits your needs. After choosing a plan, you will be guided through the onboarding process. You can connect your social media accounts during this process. Select the social media platforms you want to manage through Hootsuite. Allow Hootsuite the necessary permissions to access each account. Once you've connected your accounts, navigate to your Hootsuite dashboard. Here, you can customize your dashboard layout to better fit your workflow. Explore the various tools available for scheduling posts and analyzing performance. Familiarize yourself with the content calendar to plan your social media strategy. You can start creating and scheduling your posts from the dashboard immediately. As you get comfortable, experiment with Hootsuite's additional features. This includes monitoring your social media interactions and tracking analytics. After completing these steps, you will be fully set up to manage your social media effectively. Remember to revisit the platform regularly to optimize your social media strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.